Hello everyone and welcome to the iPhone application starting from scratch video series. I say that like there's going to be a whole lot of videos in this one particular series. The good news is it's not. My name is Jason Busby from 3dbuzz.com, and if you are interested in more iPhone application development after you've watched this series, head on over to the site, take a look up under the programming category, look for iPhone Dev. From up under there, we'll have all sorts of new things coming in the very near future, or depending on when you see this video, there may be cool stuff there now. Now, what is the idea behind this particular video series? Well, it's very easy in Xcode to jump in and start a new iPhone application, and you get a handful of different templates that have already been put together for you. Now, there's a lot of things that take place behind the scenes to get you up to the point where you have a view controller and a view and a window, and you're ready to just start putting stuff down. You can jump over into Interface Builder, and it's all graphical and fun. Then you begin hooking everything up. But again, there's kind of a lot of magic that takes place at the very beginning, all the stuff that the templates take care of. I thought it would be a lot of fun to jump in here and just start with a completely empty project. Now, that does mean that there are definitely things as far as settings for the project go that are not in place. There are things in the info property list that are not going to be set up. But that's all right, because what I am demonstrating is not the normal means of developing an iPhone application. But if you watch through this short series, you're going to gain a lot out of it. A lot of the things that you're going to see is going to make a lot more sense in the future. Now, I will assume in this series that you do have Xcode installed. If you're planning on following along, we will not be publishing out to the actual iPhone. We're just going to be using the simulator, so no problem there. I'll also assume that you know something about programming. I'm not going to stop to discuss what a pointer is or what a variable is or anything like that. I'm just going to plow right through it, and I'm going to give light descriptions of everything that's going on, because in other video series that we are now planning out, those will be the ones in which we will give more detail and more theory behind very specific things within the whole form of iPhone application development. So, this series will be very relaxed, kind of kicked back, and again, this is not how you would normally go about creating an application, but this is still very, very valuable. Trust me on that. So I guess with that out of the way, we can go ahead and get started. In the next video, what we're going to do is spend just a few minutes and get an empty project set up and established for handling an iPhone application. So let's get started.